Okay, now on your ONN 7 tablet or other ONN tablets that have Android 14, whatever, if for some reason you have to give permission to a certain app to access your microphone, or else the app won't work, but you don't really want the microphone to be used, um, specific situation here, what I'm running into is I'm trying to record something, but I don't want it to record my voice as I'm sitting here. Okay, I want it to record from the thing I'm doing on the screen, not from my voice. Okay, so kind of weird, huh? Anyway, grab from the top, pull down, bring up part of your thing here, pull it down the rest of the way, and then we want to scroll over, and right here it says microphone access. Turn that off. Turn that off to where it says blocked. There you go. Nice and easy. Didn't know that existed. And of course, you just click it again to turn it back on if you need it on for any reason. Um, I'm using this for a specific purpose. One task. I don't need the microphone on this thing. Ever. No reason. Bye.